Всем привет! Добро пожаловать на мой канал. Hello and welcome back to Russian with Nastya. Today we are going to start learning adjectives in Russian. It's a very complex topic, so today we are going to start learning it, understanding it, and maybe someday you will start to understand how to conjugate, how to change adjectives according to the noun. Итак, давайте начнем. So, русский девушка. What is wrong about this expression? Русский девушка. Девушка. Русский девушка. So, девушка is feminine. It ends in a, right? E is the ending for masculine, so we can't use it here. We can say, for example, русский сувенир, because souvenir is masculine. Souvenir. So right now everything works fine. Souvenir, русский souvenir, Russian souvenir, русский souvenir. So we can't put девушка here because it's feminine and русский here is masculine. So we have to change русский to say русская девушка. Русская. So this is the ending for feminine. Итак, давайте начнем. Let's begin with hard adjectives. Hard adjectives. Hard adjectives. Hard adjectives. Hard adjectives have the following endings. For feminine, the ending is aya. For masculine, the ending is y. Feminine aya, masculine y. And neuter is oye, and plural ye. Okay, feminine aya, masculine y, neuter oye, plural ye. These are the endings for hard adjectives. And let's come up with examples. For example, let's start with feminine. With feminine, yeah. Русская девушка. Feminine. Русская девушка. Русская девушка. Девушка. So the stem is this part of the word without the ending. Ends in a hard consonant, ka. Русская. This is why we will use this ending aya. Русская девушка. Русская девушка. Because we have the hard ka here. Русская девушка. Another example is with the masculine ending. Masculine is, for example, let's take зеленый велосипед. Зеленый велосипед. Зеленый велосипед. And here is hard. Hard. Зеленый велосипед. Green bicycle. Well, right now, let's talk about soft adjectives to see the difference. Sometimes N can be soft. Let's look at the example. Masculine. Последний герой. So soft. Masculine. Последний. Последний зелёный, не. Последний герой. Последний герой is the last hero. Последн. This is the stem and here is soft. This is why we will use different endings. With и. Последний. The ending is different because this n is soft. Последний. If we read the stem, we can hear that n is soft here. This n is hard here. If you can't hear that, that means that you have to learn these soft adjectives that will be soft by heart. You have to learn them by heart. Which ones are soft and which ones are hard. If you can't hear the difference. Последний, не. Последний, зелёный, не. So when the n is soft, we will use the ending e in masculine. When the n is hard, we will use the ending for masculine, here y, for hard adjectives. This is for soft adjectives. Последний. Now let's see the difference between hard and soft for feminine. Hard and soft feminine. Hard versus soft feminine. So hard ending for feminine will be ая. This is hard. Soft is я. Now let's see when to put ая and when to put я. And let's look at the example. Like let's take русская девушка because we already know this example. This is an example for hard adjectives, Русская, hard. Русская девушка. Девушка feminine, so we will use ая for hard adjectives because we have here k. K here is hard. Русская девушка. Now let's look at the example with я. For example, домашняя еда. Домашняя еда. Домашняя means home as an adjective, and еда is food. Домашняя еда, home food. So here n is soft. Here the stem ends in n, which is soft. Listen, домашняя, soft. This is why I use the ending for soft adjectives я. Домашняя еда. If you don't hear that n here is soft, just learn it by heart. That домашняя еда is with the ending я. Домашняя еда. Домашняя еда. Or let's look at the hard adjective with n as well. Интересная книга. Интересная книга. So the stem is интересно and the ending is ая. Интересно, hard. Интересно, hard. And домашний is soft. Let's write another example with the soft n. So this is hard n, hard adjectives. The ending is ая. And with soft n is синяя лодка. 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 Синь, синяя, синь, синь, синь is soft. Синь. We have e here, синь. And we would add я-я, синяя, синяя лодка, синяя лодка. Очень хорошо. Пойдем дальше. Let's continue. Now with masculine. Masculine. Hard and soft. Masculine. Masculine. The endings for masculine hard is y. Y. For masculine is y, and for soft, for hard is e, and for soft masculine is e. E. So when to use e and when to use e. Давайте напишем. So this is masculine. For example, чистый. Now let's take an example with N. Зеленый велосипед. Зеленый, hard, зеленый велосипед. Велосипед. Зеленый велосипед. Green bicycle. Зеленый велосипед. And let's compare it with a soft adjective with e ending. And it is утренний дождь. Morning rain. Утренний soft дождь. Дождь. Утренний дождь. Morning rain. Утренний. So n here is soft. Зелен утренний. Зелен утренний дождь. Morning rain. So here it's n is soft, so we will use the ending e. Here n is hard, so we will use the ending e. If you can't hear the difference, just memorize that утренний is a soft adjective. Утренний, morning rain, and we will use the ending e in masculine when it's followed by a masculine noun. By feminine it will be утренняя. Feminine, утренняя. Давайте напишем. Feminine. Зеленая. 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 The ending is ая for feminine adjectives. Hard feminine adjectives. The ending is ая. Зелен. N is hard. Зеленая крыша, let's say roof. Крыша. Зеленая крыша. And утренняя. Feminine. Утренняя. 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 So it's soft. Утренняя. Утренняя зарядка, let's say, workout. Зарядка. Утренняя зарядка, morning workout. So the stem ends in soft N, and the ending, of course, will be я for feminine adjective, feminine soft. Утренняя зарядка. Утренняя зарядка. Утренняя. I will check. Утренняя зарядка. Okay. So, feminine, hard is ая ending because N here is hard. And feminine soft is я ending because N here is soft. If you can't hear the difference, you can hear that this one is soft, just memorize that утренняя is soft. It will be used with soft endings. Soft endings are for masculine E, for feminine я, and for neuter is ye. Let's come up now with neuter examples. Neuter, hard versus soft, neuter. The examples in neuter. 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 Neuter ending for hard adjectives is oye, and for soft adjectives is ye. Okay, like that. Oye, ye. Now let's look at the examples. Вкусное мороженое. Hard. Вкусное. So I will use the ending ое. Вкусное мороженое. Мороженое. Вкусное мороженое. Tasty ice cream. Мороженое is neuter. Вкусное мороженое. And here is hard. The stem ends. This is the stem. The stem is a part of word without the ending. And here is hard. Вкусное мороженое. And let's look at the neuter adjective with neuter noun with a soft stem, with a soft letter N. Let's look at if I have something. Okay. Летнее настроение. Летнее настроение. Summer mood. Летний. And here is soft. And here is soft. Soft adjective. We will have this ending for soft adjectives in neuter. Летнее. Летнее настроение is neuter. Летнее вкусно. Летний. Вкусно. Летний. Now I read only the stems. Вкусно. Hard. Летний. Soft. And hard and soft. So it will depend, the ending will depend on the hard or soft consonant here. Hard or soft N here. Okay, now let's compare neuter, let's say with feminine. Let's compare neuter with feminine. Let's learn by comparing feminine, and feminine. Blue boat. Синяя, синь. Again, and is soft. And я is the ending for feminine. Синяя лодка. Синяя лодка. Blue boat. And in masculine, let's pick something. Прекрасный день. Wonderful day. Прекрасный hard день. Прекрасный день. Wonderful day. Прекрасный день. Wonderful day. So прекрасный hard and синий soft N. This is why here I use the ending for hard adjectives и, and here I use the ending for soft adjectives я, синяя лодка. Очень хорошо. And the last one is plural. Let's continue with plural, and we are done. I hope you understood something today. Plural. The endings for plural hard is ie, and for soft plural are ie. Hard plural, soft plural adjectives. Now let's come up with example. Вкусные Макароны. Tasty macarons. Macarons in Russia we call pasta. Macarons, spaghetti we call macarons. Вкусные. Вкусные. Вкусно. Вкусно. Макароны. Макароны. Вкусные макароны. Вкусные макароны. Вкусно. The stem ends in a hard N, so we will use the ending «ые». Вкусные макароны. Now let's look at the soft adjective. Plural. Сегодняшние новости. Today's news. Сегодняшние. Сегодняшние новости. Новости. Сегодняшние. Сегодняшние. Soft N. So we will use the ending «ие». If you can't hear that this N is soft, just memorize that сегодняшний, today's, is an adjective, is a soft adjective. So we will use soft endings for it in plural, neuter, feminine and masculine. Да? Сегодняшние новости. That's all for this lesson. See you tomorrow in the morning for my live classes. Целую вас, пока, чмоки-чмоки.